Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing the device so the repair process is safe. First, charge above 50% and plug into a stable power source. This prevents mid-update shutdowns. Next, back up critical data, photos, messages, and contacts, because system repair can wipe storage. Then, confirm your device model and the OEM key combo to boot into recovery mode. This step matters because the wrong sequence may trigger a different bootloader. Once done, hold the correct keys and enter recovery mode now. Once in recovery mode, begin diagnostics to isolate the fault. First, wipe the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files. This often fixes slow boot issues. If problems persist, use ADB from a PC, run a DB devices to confirm connection, then a DB sideload to apply a verified OTA package. This reinstalls system files without full wipe. While executing these steps, monitor the device logs and note any error codes. They guide targeted repairs and tell you whether you need a factory reset or firmware reflash. Now reinstall the firmware and complete the repair. Use the OEM flashing tool or fast boot with signed images. Follow exact file names and partition commands so you don't corrupt data. After flashing, reboot and run first boot checks. Verify network, sensors, and app behavior before restoring backups selectively. Make sure to re-enable security features and update apps. If something goes wrong, capture the boot and flash logs, retry with the correct firmware image, and contact OEM support with logs as your troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.